Today's question is: how do heat waves affect people, nature, and our planet? A heat wave is a prolonged period of excessively hot weather, which may be accompanied by high humidity. Unlike a regular hot day, a heat wave is considered extreme because temperatures rise significantly above the average for a particular area and last for several days or more. These events are more than just uncomfortable. They can be dangerous and even deadly. Why are heat waves dangerous? Heat waves are a serious public health concern. Under normal conditions, our bodies cool down by sweating. However, when the weather is both hot and humid, sweat doesn't evaporate easily, making it harder for the body to regulate its temperature. Heat waves can lead to heat-related illnesses such as heat cramps, painful muscle spasms from loss of salt and water through sweating, heat exhaustion, heavy sweating, weakness, dizziness, nausea, and fainting, heat stroke, a medical emergency where body temperature rises above 40 degrees Celsius, potentially leading to brain damage or death if not treated immediately. What happens to plants and animals? Heat waves also impact agriculture and livestock. Many crops require cooler nighttime temperatures to grow properly. Excessive heat can cause plants to wilt, dry out, or fail to produce fruit. Animals like cows, chickens, and pigs may suffer from heat stress, which affects their growth, milk production, and ability to reproduce. In severe cases, it can lead to illness or death, which can be devastating for farmers. How do heat waves affect our society and the environment? Extreme heat leads to increased use of air conditioning and electric fans, putting more demand on power grids. As a result, cities may experience brownouts or blackouts, especially if the system is already weak or overloaded. Heat waves can also increase the risk of wildfires, especially in areas with dry grass and forests. For example, the 2019 to 2020 bushfires in Australia were worsened by an ongoing heat wave linked to climate change. Fires not only destroy homes and ecosystems, but also release smoke that causes air pollution and respiratory problems. What is the link between heat waves and climate change? Climate scientists have observed that heat waves are becoming more frequent, longer lasting, and intense due to global warming. This is largely driven by the rise in greenhouse gas emissions, which trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. If we don't take action to reduce emissions from vehicles, factories, and other sources, future generations may experience even more severe heat waves, affecting health, food supplies, water availability, and biodiversity. How can we stay safe during a heat wave? Here are some important safety tips to follow during extremely hot days. Drink plenty of water even if you're not thirsty. Wear loose, light-colored clothing made of breathable fabrics. Stay indoors during the hottest parts of the day, usually between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Use electric fans or air conditioning, or spend time in air-conditioned public places like malls or libraries. Avoid heavy physical activities, especially outdoors. Check on elderly relatives or neighbors who may need help staying cool. Big idea to remember. A heat wave is a dangerous weather condition that affects not only human health but also animals, plants, electricity systems, and the environment. Understanding the risks and preparing for them is essential for safety.